legend is he sold his soul to the devil in order to be able to make his harmonica sound just like a train. Ironically enough, it was upon these very tracks that he lost his life on one June night in 1936. They say he was trying to hobo his way up to Chicago and join the burgeoning blues scene up there, but he never made it.
The life and times of Rooster Legs McGee, I've done extensive research on it, and though his short life, he died at the age of 27, wasn't well chronicled, there are places you can find out about him, and I know. I traced down his only living relatives. There's a few. I traced down his contemporaries, people that played with him over the years. And I traced down some of his old girlfriends. They say he sold his soul at the crossroads where Little Caesars and Greenup now stands. Or did he? He single-handedly, by himself, redefined blues harp as we know it today. In fact, I've composed a song about that fateful night that Rooster Legs McGee lost his life, and I called it "The Train, What Killed Rooster Legs McGee." Rooster Leg, I know the boy pretty good. Back in the day, we played the pool hall, the dance hall, the bingo hall, and the alcohol. That was what Rooster was playing that night. He got run over by the train. He was going over to see this woman named Esther Hall. He was out there on the track playing that harmonica. Even if you make a deal with the devil, you still got to practice a little bit and you get rusty. Rooster Leg. I said over there, I said, Rooster, you sound pretty good. But that wasn't Rooster, it was a train. And it ran over his ass. And when that train hit him, two things went flying up in the air simultaneously. That means at the same time. One of them was no blues harp, the key of A, and the other one was the key to Esther Hall's house. That was that hall he was playing that night, and I didn't have nothing to do with him. And they were the key to a back door. Oh, Rooster Leg was the back door man. I spell I spell Rooster Leg. Rooster Leg. And that train what killed him. Question is, why did they call him Rooster Legs? Well, he had little legs like a little rooster. You ever seen Rooster Legs? That's why they call him that. Rooster Leg, Rooster Leg. Now, actually, that's going to be on my next album. It's a album's going to be entitled "Bluesmen What Got Killed by Trains."
Now, some say that his spirit still roams this lonely set of railroad tracks. So we're going to try to find out if that's the case. Now, this device right here captures electronic voice phenomenon, or EVP for short. We're going to try to contact the spirit of Rooster Legs McGee and see if we can help put his soul to rest. Rooster Legs McGee, if you're here with us, give us some sort of a sign. Some believe that you sold your soul to Satan, and others say that your ghostly apparition still haunts these very set of tracks where you lost your life many years ago. The mournful sound of your harmonica coming gently across the tracks into the surrounding houses. Your mom's calling. After our extensive investigation, we decided to retire back to local eatery Tres Hermanos to review our evidence. where we made this startling discovery. Here it is with the audio enhanced. The truth is, we may never know the truth. Rooster Legs McGee left behind a legacy of blues music that will stand the test of time. But whereabouts his soul may rest now is truly the unknown.